Just a quick update. I just did a session number 5, but my screen recorder stopped recording all of a sudden, so I lost all the the footage. But yeah, session 5 here. So we started with 7807. We finished at 8113. We made 3.92% gains. So let me go over here and show you the trades. So we lost the first 3. We won the fourth one, then we lost one. So the fourth one, I decided to divide it in 3 trades of 825. So 1, 2, 3. So I won 2 out of 3. Okay, so I had to win another trade of 825. So I decided to split 825 into 415. So as you can see, we got 415. We had, well, 415, 415. And I placed 2 trades, won those 2 trades, and that was it. Boom, boom, job done. So yeah, unfortunately, I don't have the footage because it stopped recording, but the trade was this one right here, 1805. So 1805 was this candle right here, this one right here. So I wait for the first one, like I always said, wait for the first candle confirmation, and then the second one was the second the trade that I took. So yeah, stay tuned in for the next one. Peace. By the way, let me show you the spreadsheet. So next targets, we just need to make 75 cents per session in order to complete the session. Essentially just one trade. If you win that trade, we out of the game. Cool. And we just 1887 to reach the main goal, which is 50 bucks. So hopefully we will get there before 30 sessions. But if it takes me 30 sessions to get there, so be it. At least if we're making profits every single day, that's better than losing, right? So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.